Hello everybody, my name is Veridique Boniface Premier from Congo, and today I'm gonna introduce to you Microsoft Disk Operating System. Disk Operating System is a software, the first one who has been used for the utilization of the PC, and it was created in 1950s by a man called Tim Patterson. After that, Microsoft Disk Operating System was sold to Bill Gates, who sold it to IBM, Informatic Business Machine. And today I'm gonna introduce to you that very first basic application, the first application that was created to use to be used by the PC. And without losing time, let us begin. I will ask you to be taking notes because it's really important to be taking notes while you are learning something new. I always use that method, and it has helped me to master, to understand many things while upgrading my knowledge in informatics. I will tell you to press the Windows button, and then you will type CMD or command prompts. After that, you will open the command prompts with you will run the command prompt as administrator, and for that you have to click on the right button. Let me CMD right button, and then you'll run as an administrator. I always run as an administrator in order to have all privilege while working in command prompts. What is a command prompt? A command prompt is, as I've said, the first software to be used in a PC, and as you are seeing, in command prompts there was not the cursor, there was just a command line. Everything was doing by just typing in, and the PC was just responding. There was not graphism like this one. It was just this common prompt with command line, and this command prompt was designed very goodly, because for me, I learned it myself. I'm sorry for that, because for me, I learned it myself. You just to type in help. This help show you all basics commands we find in Microsoft Disk Operating System. And as you are seeing on your screen, they begin from A to Z, and there is ASOC, attrib, brick. ASOC is to help you to display or modify file extension association. Attrib displays change of file attribution. Break, paste edit, call, CD, CHP, CHD, CHK, DSK. All these commands are explained shortly while you type in this help in command line. And if you want to know more about attrib command, for example, you have to tap attrib, a space, you type slash, and then you type this the interrogative mark. After that, you will have to tap enter, and then the command prompt will just explain you more about that specific command you want to know about. As for this, we are expecting to know about more about the attrib command, and it's reading attrib displays or change file attributes. Attributes used with plus R plus A plus minus A plus S plus, all these signs are explained just here. Plus state an attribute. No, this is what you'll be doing for each command. If just you know how to read, you know how to understand easily, you can just learn these command prompts by yourself by just using help um, this help option we find in this operating system. I think you will be trying to do that, and a good system to learn command prompts is to make a group of 2, 3 or 4 or 5 people who are interested in learning command prompts, and then you'll be reading yourself by using the help option. But you can't just know everything by just reading. You will sometimes need the presence or the help of someone else, and at that time you'll be gathering in your small groups with your friends who are interested in this operating system. And then when you'll have some problems, some difficulties, you'll go there and ask for help to those friends, and then they will ask you too when they have met some difficulties. And by in that situation, in that rhythm, you'll be learning step by step. You'll be um, erasing some difficulties you've got, and you'll reach a certain level of knowledge by applying that system. For me, I can tell you, I'm able to use every command you're seeing here, because it has been a work of many days, a really hard work. I've been learning this operating system, I think 2 or 3 years ago, and my interest in this operating system were uh, uh, came upon to me when I was still working in an internet cave, and there was an IT and an engineer who was used to come to fix problem when we got them, and that man was used to use this operating system. And then when he was sitting in front of a PC, he was chasing us to go outside, and then he was just typing comments, comment after comment, comment after comment, and just after some minutes, everything was done, everything was good, and he was taking us many money. And from that time, I thought to myself that I have to know that this operating system, I have to master it, and I have to know it even better than that guy who was used to hide from us what he was doing while setting up, while fixing matters in that internet cafe where I was used to work. I think it's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed. You know, I speak good French than English. In English, I'm still learning English. I don't know very well English. I come from a country where we speak French as best as French is. And for English, as you'll see, I've got some problem to speak as good as I can, but I hope you are catching me. I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Veridique Boniface Premier from Congo, and I wish you all the best.